Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have cPanel access and a GitHub repo. Now start by enabling Git or SSH in cPanel and creating a repository clone point. Generate an SSH key pair in cPanel or on your local machine, then add the public key to GitHub as a deploy key for the repo. Once done, make sure you know the branch and the destination directory in public HTML or a subfolder so the next steps map files to the right site path. You will now configure cPanel to talk to GitHub, import the private key into cPanel's SSH keys, or use the terminal to install it. Clone the repo into the desired folder with git clone git at GitHub. Com, username/repo. Git or add a remote and git pull the branch. Then configure cPanel's Git version control app or a post-receive hook for auto-deploy. Make sure file permissions and htaccess rules are preserved, so the site server. Finish by testing the deployed site and verifying the repo branch matches what you pulled. Clear caches and confirm assets load. If something goes wrong, check SSH connectivity first with SSHT git at GitHub. Com and ensure private key permissions are 600 and key is added to the agent. Also inspect cPanel error logs and run git pull manually in terminal to see errors. Once you fix the reported issue, rerun the deploy or trigger the webhook to update the live site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.